elephant. The circus is coming and all the children want to see the elephant.
An elephant, everybody, come and see it. It's coming, come and see the elephant, an elephant.
It is huge. What a fantastic elephant. I don't know what an elephant looks like.
Me neither. I would like to know what an elephant looks like.
Let's wait so we can touch it.
We will touch our hands, our fingers, our eyes.
It is coming, the elephant is coming.
Be careful, it could be dangerous. Let's go home.
No, Mommy, I want to see it. Let's stay here.
Please, Mommy, let us stay here. It's amazing.
Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. The big elephant is to walk through here. Be careful.
Good man, please do this. Put the next capture. We want to know what it looks like.
Okay, get close, one by one. It's no dangerous. Don't be afraid.
As they can see, they are going to use their hands to touch the elephant so they can make it happy. I can see the elephant is like a wall.
Okay, it's your turn. No, you are wrong. The elephant is like a tree. Well, come this way.
That's a lie. My hands turn into your neck, but it looks like a lamp.
You are completely wrong. I also touch it and I am sure that seems like a handball and my fingers don't like it.
Nobody lies to me. The elephant looks like a snake.
No, you. Now the elephant looks right. I think that the elephant looks like a rope.
Do you insult me? I am sure that it's like a wall.
I'm telling you, the elephant is like a tree.
No, it's like a snake.
A snake, not at all. I am sure it looks like a rope. It's a lie. It's like a handball. It's a rope.
They don't want to listen to the others and they begin fighting. No one will say to me that I am wrong. Take this.
Ouch, but I'm right. Don't push me, you're lying. Ouch, my back, it's a rope.
Who hit me? It's a wall.
Ouch, it's a knife. I'm telling you that this is like a handball. Ouch, my nose. Stop, please, don't fight, stop.
They stop fighting by their feet very angry.
Calm down, be quiet. Listen. I will explain everything. You are right.
Why?
Because each of you only touched a part of the elephant. The one who touched the body thought it was a wall. The one who touched the leg thought it was a tree. The one who touched the tusk remembered the snake. The one who felt the ear thought it was a handpan. The one who touched the tusk remembered the snake. And the shortest one that only caused that the elephant was like a rope.
Now I understand that what happens and we will tell you.
You got so angry that you started fighting with each other.
I'm sorry.
You were wrong.
We got so furious.
Because all of us thought we are right.
Instead of trying to understand.
Of course, to know the truth, we have to listen to the others.
We thank you, and the elephant too, for teaching us to better listen to the others. Now we know that this reality is different depending on how we see it.
Let's be friends again.
Let's get to know the other.
Now you know the elephant is fantastic.
And you have learned a good lesson.
As you can see, we have to listen to the others.